We're here at Charm Engine. Let's head on inside and show you around.
Charm Engine was founded in 1972 by Melton Barton. He started it on his farm, but then after an injury in an accident, he moved it down into Charm.
They have a large square footage workshop where their 9 full-time mechanics service engines and power tools. One unique thing about Charm Engine is that their workshop employees ride Segways, which saves energy and improves efficiency.
They have a wide variety of mowers, including riding, standing, and push mowers, as well as tractors and attachments.
Their top-of-the-line showroom showcases all of their best equipment.
They also manufacture accessories for mowers, such as this dump dolly. This is one of their best-selling units and is very versatile and can be removed when needed.
Find them at 4741 State Route 557 in Charm, Ohio.